I've done many furniture reviews, and let me tell you, when I was sent this one for my feedback, I immediately could tell it's so superior to many others that are on the market right now. First, solid wood, and you can feel it right away. This isn't that lightweight, hollow kind of furniture. It has a real substantial weight to it with a smooth grain and a rich walnut finish that just makes your space feel more elevated and put together. The drawer is surprisingly spacious and sturdy. It can hold up to 33 pounds, which is perfect for keeping your nighttime essentials tucked away. Second, it's super easy to assemble. Honestly, this might be one of the simplest setups I've come across. The drawer comes pre-assembled, so all you're really doing is switching the knob, attaching the legs, and placing the shelf. It comes very well packaged, every corner is protected, nothing arrives damaged, and instructions are included, but you probably won't even need them with how straightforward it is. One person can easily get this done in about 10 to 15 minutes. And lastly, but not least, how beautiful are these legs? Seriously, they're gorgeous. The turned spindle design adds so much character and gives it that designer look. Overall, this set works in so many different styles, whether your space leans modern, farmhouse, or even a little coastal. It's one of those pieces that just fits in and makes everything look better. I highly recommend it.